Hi friends, this video shows how to install apps from unknown sources in Android TV and fix app not installed error. So first we need to open settings. So let me go to settings, then select apps, then go down and select security and restrictions, then select unknown sources. So here we can see list of apps. From this list, we need to select the apps for which we need to give install apps from unknown sources permission. For example, here I want to allow this Explore File Manager app to install unknown Android APK files. So I can enable that option here, just enable it. So now we can install Android APK files using this Explore File Manager app. Same way, if you want to give same permission for other apps, you can just enable here. So this way we can install apps from unknown sources and fix app not installed error. Okay, just enable this option. So please try this. You can also disable this option if you are seeing some warning while installing the Android APK files. Just disable here. Okay, so please try these two options.